The following is a quick demonstration on how to manage your allergens on the Procure Wizard supplier portal. So first of all, to manage our allergens, we go to price lists and product allergens. If you don't have the product allergens options, just please get in touch with the Procure Wizard support team on support@accesshospitality.ie and we'll be able to activate them for you. Once activated, we can go into our product allergens section here and we can export our product allergens. In this instance, I'm going to export all allergens on our allergen demo price list. If you want to export all allergens for a certain customer, you absolutely could do so. So in this instance, I'm going to focus on the allergen demo price list. If I click export product allergens here, all products priced on this price list will be exported. On the left-hand side, I can see information about the products such as the product ID, category, and description. I'm just going to hide a couple of these out here, and I'm going to leave my product description, my pack size, and my SKU code. On the right-hand side, we can see all allergens kind of in line with EU legislation, and they're all set to no at the moment. Any products with no allergens set against them will have a star here in the missing allergens column. That just lets you know that no allergens have been set for these products yet. So I'm going to set some allergens against these products now. So for example, the bread sliced, I'm going to say this contains gluten. So we have a menu here, and I can just enter a yes in here for gluten. If I know that that's the only relevant allergen for that product, I can move on to the next one. So sea bass fillets are the next one, and I'm going to say that these contain fish. So again, I'm just updating the no to a yes here. With the ice cream chocolate, it's going to contain dairy, so we'll go into the milk section here. And we're also going to say that this may contain a trace of nuts. If we want to say a certain item and contains a trace of nuts or may contain a certain item, you can put in maybe or the words may contain. With the watermelon, so the watermelon has no allergens that are covered by legislation or covered by this file, in fact. So to tell the system that the product has no allergens, we come to our column V. Column V designates that the product has no allergens. So if we set yes in here, that's telling the system the product has no allergens. Otherwise, the system assumes we haven't done the allergens for this product yet. And finally, we'll just come to our peanut salted, which will of course contain peanuts. So we change our no to a yes there. When we're happy we've reviewed all our allergens on the file, we can save the file here. We can go onto our Procure Wizard, we can select the file that we've saved, and we can import our product allergens. When we import our allergens, we'll see that the product allergen data has been updated, 6 allergens have been added, 0 have been removed. If I want to check that I have all allergens done for a certain price list, what I can do is rather than exporting all priced allergens, I can export all products that are missing allergens, the allergens haven't been set for yet. If I export this file and no products are displayed on the file, that means that I've done the allergens for every product on this file. And that's how you import and export allergens on Procure Wizard. If I wish to update the allergens of an individual product, using my quick order and product locator, I can find a certain product. So for example, if I search the keyword peanut and I want to update the allergens on this peanut butter, I can click on the view settings icon beside the product and I actually have an allergens tab over here. If I click over to the allergens tab, I can click enter allergen data if no allergens had been entered to date. When I click enter allergen data, I'll have a number of drop downs. If the gluten containing cereals drop down is set to no, then all sub options of that menu will be set to no also. I am going to set the yes to this for this peanut butter for peanuts to yes. And if I wanted to set tree nuts, just to show you, once you set yes to the tree nuts, all sub options will become an available option then also. But for the time being, I'm just going to set that peanuts is the only allergen that this peanut butter contains. So I'm just going to go down to my bottom section here and click Save All. And just to show you here at the bottom, you will also have a full history of allergens entered against any product. So I can see that on the 5th of the 4th, that the peanuts allergen was changed from no to yes for this particular product. And I can see which user also set those allergens. So that's a quick update on our product allergens. Again, just if you need that setting turned on, please contact support@accesshospitality.ie and we'll be able to turn those on for you. Thanks for joining.